Hello students, in this video we are going to learn some important very short answer questions from the chapter complex numbers. Let us see question. Find the complex conjugate of 3 plus 4 iota into 2 minus 3 iota. Let us remind, first of all we will remind formula for conjugate complex number. Conjugate complex number of a plus iota b is a minus iota b. So it is very easy to write a conjugate of any complex number if it is in the form of a plus iota b. Then we can write simply answer as a minus iota b. That's why every complex number, whatever form may be given in question, that should be converted into the form of a plus iota b. Okay. So let's write the given complex number first. 3 plus 4 iota into 2 minus 3 iota. So just multiply. 3 2s are 6 minus plus into minus minus 3 into 3 9 iota plus into plus plus 2 into 4 iota 8 iota plus into minus minus 4 3s are 12 iota into iota iota square 6 minus 9 iota plus 8 iota minus iota minus 12 into iota square value minus 1. I told you to remember, very useful, iota square value minus 1. Now 6 minus iota minus 12 into minus 1 plus 12. So 6 plus 12 18. 18 minus iota. So which is in the form of a plus iota b. Now I can say answer easily. So conjugate complex number of conjugate complex of 18 minus iota is 18 plus iota. So 18 plus iota is the answer. Now moving on to next question, similar to this one. So this time in question we don't have a plus iota b form. So I told you whatever form may be given in question, we should convert into a plus iota b form. So let us consider the given complex number and we will simplify it. So we have division of two complex numbers, as you know already. So always we proceed with the rationalization process, rationalization of denominator. In numerator we have 7 plus iota. Multiply and divide with its conjugate complex number. 7 plus iota conjugate is 7 minus iota. So multiply and divide by 7 minus iota. So now normal multiplication, 5 iota into 7, 35 iota minus plus into minus minus 5 iota into iota, 5 iota square whole divided by a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. Now 35 iota we can write same minus 5 into iota square value minus 1, iota square value minus 1 whole divided by 7 square 49 minus iota square value minus 1. Now 35 iota minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 whole divided by 49 plus 1, this is 50, minus into minus plus 49 plus 1 50. So clearly we should have in the form of a plus iota b. That's why write real part first and separate the denominator also. 5 by 50. Okay now. So apply denominator for each and every term of numerator. 5 by 50 plus 35 by 50 iota. So now on cancellation, 5 ones are 5 tens are. This is 5 sevens are 5 tens are. So 1 by 10 plus 7 by 10 iota. So now we can write complex conjugate or conjugate of 1 by 10 plus 7 by 10 iota is, okay, what is the conjugate of a plus iota b? A minus iota b. So this is in the form of a plus iota b. So its conjugate will be written in the form of a minus iota b. 1 by 10 minus 7 by 10 iota, or it can be written as 10 LCM 1 minus 7 iota by 10. Similarly, we can practice these questions. 2 plus 5 iota into minus 4 plus 6 iota. First multiply these two complex numbers and convert it into the form of either a plus iota b or a minus iota b. So for your convenience, I wrote its answer also. After completion of procedure, you can check answer. So this is also same. Here first subtract this complex number from this complex number. Anyhow, our aim is to convert into the form of a plus iota b. Then we can write its conjugate answer easily. So this is direct answer. We can write a plus iota b form. The given complex number is itself in the form of a plus iota b. So what we shall write its conjugate? A minus iota b. So 3 minus 4 iota is the answer.